class 5. This is the chapter Half Built House, which we have read. I had explained it in my video. Now we will do in today's video about the book exercise of this chapter. Okay, first we will do that. Reorder these sentences according to the events in history. To save the time, I have just tell you the number. The first sentence is which was the first sentence? Here it is. The 5 children were enjoying their holidays at their grandma's farm. So it's the first one. Okay, look at that. It's the first one. Okay, and then the second, the children decided to explore a bamboo grove. Then the third one, 8. Then just write down the number to minimize your time. Now, because we have to give much time in our book exercise. Now, these are the book exercise we have. Children, watch this video till end, because at the end I will just explain all the question and answers to you. Now, look at the phrases. Now, what are phrases? Phrases are the just some word which give the another sense rather than the actual meaning they have. So, get away, it means to escape. Second, get going, it means find out something. Third, get the better of, it means to win a victory over someone. Fourth, get nowhere, it means to make no progress. Fifth, get wind off, it means to leave a place. Now we just turn the page 38 and then so here is your exercise. So complete this sentence with the phrases from exercise A. Make changes where needed. Now, whatever the phrases we have learned in the previous page, that we have to fill according to their sense and the meaning. First, you must get wind off now if you want to reach the school on time. Get wind off मतलब जल्दी से तुम्हें निकलना होगा, पैक करो और निकलो यहाँ जल्दी से ताकि आप स्कूल पे पहुँच सको. Second, the police get going where the criminals were hiding. Police is. Now, a criminal get away from the police station last night. Fourth, he was disappointed as he was get nowhere in his work. Fifth, the Indian team get the better of their opponents in the yesterday's match. Now, this is the phrase, children, you can use in your day-to-day language also. क्या मतलब होता है इसका? Get the better of means that the Indian team is much better than the opponents. So it's so good if you say the Indian team is get the better of their opponents. So now next words we have are, here are the meaning of 6 words from the story. Scan the text to find. Now it's the meaning and these are the words. The direction on what is to be done. Instruction. Okay, this is the spelling. You can see it. Now, a flash of light you see in the sky. Now it's lightning. It is L. L-I-G-H-T. L is here, na? It is L. Okay. To be interested in knowing something. Curious. Something that can be harmful. Dangerous. Fifth, to travel around a new place to learn about it. Explore. The time spent away from work for the rest and pleasure. Holiday. Now we're just moving to the page 39 now. Okay, here we have the page. So, these you have to underline the pronouns. Now, let us do that. Let us go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. It will. Now, here it is a pronoun. It will be a nice and cool in the evening, said Athrav, who was 11 years old. Next, he was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. Dev, the youngest, was just 8, but he, again we have he, always said, I can look after myself. Now it's also a pronoun. Okay, it's personal pronoun and that's a possessive pronoun. Okay, now moving to the next exercise. Okay, children, I had explained you in a very elaborate way about the possessive pronouns and possessive adjective. Of that explanation, the video, you can get the link in the description box. So you can go through it and just make clear what the possessive pronouns and what are possessive adjectives. Okay, now we have to fill in the blanks. Complete this sentence with the possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Now I have written Rahul and I will share the pizza. This is his share and that is mine. Okay, so mine is the possessive pronoun and his we can refer to both possessive pronoun and adjective both. Now second, this is my house. My cousins live nearby. That house is theirs. Third, I have got a new bicycle. This old one is not mine. Fourth, she will bring her toys. You could bring yours too. Is this your seat? Yes, it is mine. Okay, now children, I hope you can do that. Okay, just pause the video and fill your blanks. Now we moving to the next, but no, we have to exercise more over here. Take turns to make a sentence using a possessive adjective. Your partner say the same sentence by using a possessive pronoun related to it. Now, isn't that your book? Isn't that book yours? Now यहाँ पर तो ये है possessive adjective और यहाँ पर ये yours होता है possessive pronoun. Okay. इसका एक ऐसा ट्रिक भी है बेटा, जो आपका जो possessive pronouns जो होते हैं ना, वो सेंटेंस की एंड में आते हैं. कई बार ऐसा होता है. Okay. Now, these are my sketch pen. These sketch pens are mine. Now turning to the next page. Okay, here we have. So it's your page 40. So next exercise we have. Was it your fault? Was the fault yours? Aren't those his clothes? Aren't those clothes his? Isn't this their red car? Isn't this red car theirs? Fill in the blanks with the suitable demonstrative pronouns. Now we have just used this. Now first read it. Read these sentences. This is grandma's house. That is half-built house. Now we use this to point out this and that. All the demonstratives we use to point out some things. Now, so this we can say for the things nearby us and that to the things far away from us. जो चीज़ पास में है उसके लिए this और जो दूर है हमसे उसके लिए that आता है, जो distance पे. Now these and those. Now these it comes for the plural. Now this is used for the singular. That is also singular. These and those they used for the plurals. Now these the things nearby us and those the things far away from us. Now one more thing is there. We use this for the present time and that for the past time. These for the present plural and those for the past plural. Okay, so in those days, just like this. Okay, now we have to in the above sentence these and that and those are points to a noun. They are demonstrative pronouns. We use this that for the singular nouns, these and those for the plural nouns. We use this and these for nouns that are near and that and those for the nouns that are far. Okay, I hope you understand. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the suitable demonstratives. First one, these are the sweets you bought last week. Okay, these. Because it's plural one, that's why. Now, next. Do you like the shirt I'm wearing? I got this on my birthday. Next. Did you like the shirt I wore yesterday? I got that on my birthday. Why have we used that? Because it's a past tense, that's why. Look over. That is the school I went to till I was class 3. Next, fifth. I have bought some chocolates. Take and distribute these among the children. Sixth one. Here is an encyclopedia for you. This will help you with your project. Now, children, just take a screenshot or pause the video. Fill your book. Okay. So, shall we move? Now, what are contractions? Contractions are the word which we can say that they were the short forms of something. Yes. So the highlighted words had been formed by joining two words such as called contractions. Now it will. Now what it and double L? It will. Grandmas. It means it belongs to grandma. They are. They are. In short, in contraction, it is written like this. They apostrophe and re. Okay. So these are the words. Without wasting much time, I'll just write them. I do not like people who lie. I don't. Just remember, do not, we can also write don't. Now, Athrav has got a new bicycle. Now, here we cannot make it as, we cannot contracted it. Third one, do not make so much noise here. Don't. Now, do not turn to be don't. Fourth, she could have informed us about the changes. Now, I just have to write. She could, how would we write that, children? We could have now informed, and then the remaining part of the sentence would be same as follows. Okay, now fifth one, there has been no news about the missing donkey. Now no need, I didn't contacted it because it's correct one. We can also say there hasn't been, like that. Sixth one, he thinks that we should have talked. Now we should, and in the short form it had been should have. Okay, now. Okay, children, that's enough for our book exercise. Now we will move to the question answer. For that I have to explain to you. Okay, these are the question answers, and all the questions I have already written for you all. Just moving to that book. Okay, here we have. So, it's the half-built house. Answer these questions with reference to the context. But that was a dangerous, children. Who said this? Alpana Chitni, the grandma, said this. Fourth, what was the reason for saying this? Grandma said that because they were dangerous criminals and could have harmed the children too. टू इट मीन्स वो चिल्ड्रन, बच्चों को वो हार्म भी पहुंचा सकते थे, कुछ नुकसान भी पहुंचा सकते थे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, नाउ हियर इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी हैव. व्हाट वाज द डेंजरस, व्हाई? व्हाट वाज डेंजरस, व्हाई? गोइंग इनटू अ हाउस लाइक दिस अलोन, हाउस लाइक दिस, दैट हाफ बिल्ट हाउस व्हिच वाज अलोन, could be dangerous. ये dangerous हो सकता था बच्चों के लिए because there could be any unexpected incident. ओके, देयर कुड बी एनी, कोई भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो सकता था जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड हो, जो किसी ने सोचा नहीं हो. नाउ बी, आई हैड ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन टू यू. सी, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाई वाज, नाउ हियर वी हैव द आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आर इन योर बुक. 8 क्वेश्चंस वी हैव. ओके, लेट्स डू देम. Why was Grandma's farm an exciting place? Grandma's farm was an exciting place because the Chitnis children had plenty to do. वहाँ पे बहुत मज़े आते थे उनको, है ना, अपनी ग्रैंड माँ के फार्म में. प्लेंटी टू डू, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी करने के लिए. ड्यूरिंग देयर वेकेशन, छुट्टियों में, समर वेकेशंस, दे ओके, हियर वी हैव टू राइट दे. ओके, दे कुड गो स्विमिंग, fly kites or play football in open meadows or sometimes have an adventure also. So you have to just learn that they have plenty to do. They could go swimming, fly kites, play football in meadows and sometimes adventure also be there. Who was the leader of the group? How did he show this? Now see the answer. Athra was the leader of the group. He was the oldest and showed leadership quality by deciding what everyone would do. अथर्व जो था 11 इयर्स का, वो उनका लीडर था और वो ही डिसाइड करता था कि अब उन्हें क्या करना है, क्या खेलना है. और उसकी जो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी थी वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी. वो सबकी मतलब अपने पूरे जो ग्रुप की वो बहुत ध्यान रखता था, हेल्प करता था. थर्ड, हाउ डिड द यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड फील अबाउट हिमसेल्फ? दे वॉज द यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड ना, he was just 8 years old. He felt that he could look after himself. He was a little annoyed with the Athra and he said that he would look after himself. Now fourth question, why did the two other older children take a long time at the house? Okay, जो दो बच्चे अंदर गए थे, Athra and Diya, why they taken much time? The two older children took a long time at the half-built house because they had seen 3 wanted criminals there. They see 3 wanted criminals. The 2 children spent most of their time hiding behind the empty drums in order to keep themselves safe from the criminals. Oh, that's funny and that's much horrible, I think. So, where had they, okay, had they, it should be before, where had they seen the men before, कहाँ देखा था उन बच्चों ने पहले उन्हें. The children had seen the pictures of the 3 wanted criminals before in Inspector Chitney's office. Clear? 6.1. What were the 2 sensible things that the children did? The children, अच्छा दो सबसे इंटेलिजेंट वाली सेंसिबल थिंग्स क्या किया था चिल्ड्रन ने. The children kept themselves hidden from the criminals and they immediately informed. The 2 things. First is they kept themselves hidden, and the second one, they immediately informed the Inspector Chitney about the criminals. These are the 2 sensible things that they did. Next, why did Inspector Chitney come to the farm? वो क्यों आए थे वहाँ पे? Just see. Inspector Chitney, who was Disha's father, drove down, drive करके आए थे वहाँ पे, to grandma's farm because he and his police department had a feeling that those crooks were hiding somewhere in that area. Now crooks here refer to the criminals, है ना? Okay. 8th question. On what condition were the children allowed to accompany the policemen? क्या कंडीशन दी थी? उन्होंने कहा कि हम आपके साथ चलें, अकम्पनी कर लें. द चिल्ड्रन वर अलाउड टू अकम्पनी द पुलिसमैन टू द हाफ बिल्ट हाउस ओनली ऑन द कंडीशन. देखो यहाँ तक तो ये क्वेश्चन में से आ गया, अब यहाँ से कंडीशन याद करनी है हमें. कंडीशन दैट दे वुड ओबे एंड ओबे एवरी इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन टू देम. नाउ इट्स ओबे है ना, ओबे every instruction given to them. Now think and answer. How do you think Atrav and Disha felt when they recognized the criminals? कैसा लगा होगा उनको जब उन्होंने criminals को recognize कर लिया? Okay. When they recognized the criminals, they did not panic. Now that was the intelligent thing they did. They did not panic. They acted wisely. मतलब बहुत समझदारी से काम लिया. Panic मतलब डरे नहीं. They hid behind the drum. ड्रम के पीछे छुप गए. सो दैट नो वन कुड सी देम, ताकि उन्हें कोई देख ना सके. एंड दे कम आउट ऑफ द एस्केप. आफ्टर लीविंग they went straight to the grandma's house and told Inspector Chitney, okay, we do not use the here, okay, told Inspector Chitney the whole story. We would have done, अगर आप उनकी जगह होते तो आप क्या करते बेटा? We would have done the same thing if we were in their place. Now children, it's enough for today's video. Just like and subscribe the channel, and your likes would give me some motivation also.